By the end of this video, you will know how to set up a scheduled scenario in make.com. Start by signing in to your make.com account and opening the scenario you want to schedule. This brings you into the scenario editor where you can manage how and when that automation runs. Make sure you have the correct scenario open before you continue, especially if you manage more than one workflow in the same account. Once the scenario is open, move to the bottom of the scenario editor and click the scheduling control. This opens the schedule settings for that scenario. If you do not see the settings right away, give the interface a moment to respond, then continue from the same control. Inside the schedule settings, look for the Run Scenario drop-down. Open that menu and choose the schedule type you want to use. One common option is at regular intervals, which is useful when you want the scenario to run repeatedly based on a defined timing pattern. Select the option that matches the way you want this automation to operate. After choosing the schedule type, configure the schedule details. The available fields can vary depending on the option you selected, but this is where you set the interval, start time, and any other timing settings connected to that schedule type. Enter the timing carefully so the scenario runs when you expect it to. If your workflow depends on a specific start time, make sure that value is set correctly before moving on. If you want the same scenario to run on more than one schedule, use the Add More Schedules option. This lets you create additional timing rules within the same scenario. For example, you might want one recurring schedule and another schedule with different timing. If you only need one schedule, you can leave this part as it is and continue. When the schedule is configured the way you want, click Save. This applies the scheduling settings to the scenario. Saving at this stage is important because it records the timing rules you just set. If you make changes and leave without saving, those schedule settings may not be applied. The final step is to turn the scenario on. Enable the scenario so it can run automatically according to the schedule you configured. Without turning it on, the schedule can be saved, but the automation will not start running on its own. After you switch it on, the scenario is set to follow the timing you defined in the schedule settings. Your make.com scenario is now scheduled and turned on to run automatically according to your selected timing settings.